Representative Johanson.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise with reservations.
With reservations, please proceed.
And brief comment. I think the thing that's most troublesome about this bill is that it takes away some of the rights of the employers. And I think we all want to achieve a good balance between the employee and the employer because that's necessary to ensuring good working conditions for our employees. However, the independent medical examination is one of the employer's only ways to verify that indeed some of the workers' compensation claims are indeed necessary and legitimate. And I think people need to have workers' compensation and people need to have good medical examinations, but I also don't want to be so overly restrictive with employers' rights that there's not a balance for the employer, and in so doing ends up driving some of our employers away from employing people. Thank you.
Thank you. Representative Cheape, followed by Representative Kawakami.
With reservations.
With reservations, so ordered. Representative Kawakami.
I'd like to ask for a potential ruling on a conflict of interest.
Please state your conflict.
Our family has, and I work at a company that would be impacted by this measure.
No conflict.
Okay, with reservations, and I'd like to ask to adopt the words of the minority leader as if they were my own. And I'd like to also add that although the intent sounds good, the current law already allows for appropriate checks and balances. I'm going to tell you that the law specifies that the employee, when ordered by the director, shall submit to the examination of a qualified physician designated by the director and paid for by the employer. The other thing that this bill does is it states that only the attending physician can determine where the injury or the injured has reached medical stability. This overrides everything. This overrides the worker saying that they're fine and they can go back to work. This overrides the employer and the insurer. This also gives total authority to the physician, which now has no incentive to get this patient off of their record books. So, the intent was well, but if we want to continue to hurt small businesses, this is a great way to do it. Thank you.
Thank you, Representative. Representative Hanohano.
Kanalua.
Kanalua. Representative Fukumoto.
Reservations, please.
With reservations, so ordered. Representative Yamashita.
Yeah, thank you. Please note my reservations.
So ordered. Representative Thielen.
Reservations, and may I adopt the words of our minority leader, please?
So ordered. Representative Ichiyama.
Please note my reservations.
Reservations,
Thank
so
you.
ordered. Representative Fale.
Mr. Speaker, I would like to vote with reservations and to adopt the words from our minority leader as my own, as well as because employers are in endangered species in my district. I am very concerned about anything that would have any further impact on their existence in my district. Thank you.
Thank you,
Mr.
Representative, and your request is ordered. Representative Tokioka.
Thank you, Speaker. Reservations, and I'd like to insert the words into the journal from the representative from Honolulu.
So ordered.
Thank you.
Thank you. Representative Tsuji.
Please record my WR.
WR.
Thank you.
So ordered. Thank you. Representative Choy.
Reservations, please.
Reservations, so ordered. Representative Onishi.
Mr. Speaker, ruling on potential conflict of
State your
interest.
conflict.
Yes,
State your conflict.
my family, my wife's family owns a business that would be affected by this bill.
No conflict.
Thank you.
Thank you. Representative Takayama.
Please note my reservations, please.
So ordered. Thank you. Representative Ward.
Same request.
So ordered. Members, Representative Cullen.
Please note my reservations.
Reservations for Representative Cullen. Thank you. Representative Hashem.
WR.
WR, so ordered. Thank you. Representative Har.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Please note my reservations and may I have the comments from the speaker from Honolulu as well as the minority leader entered into the journal as if they were my own.
So ordered.